Welcome on our YouTube channel Q by Design, and here we're going to show you the process of manufacturing within a frame for Mercedes 6x6 on an example of frame. So it's been built with an original frame from G Wagon W463. That's a frame original, but we need to make it longer and cut here and here. You can see a welded piece. Don't match to details, we are still working on it. Everything should be powdered and like coated with a special primer, but as for now, that's a nice moment to show you that how we make it. So that's not just a simple like one layer of metal, because we need to weld from inside 2 layers and outside the 1 layer, so it has 3 different layers each inside each other. So it's very strong, and for Mercedes-Benz to become a real 6x6, it has to be real strong and professionally manufactured. So let's show this, for example, like on the special stand. As you can see, the frame mounts with the brackets, so we need to manufacture the simple details just to make it connectable for each other. And as I've spoken about special stand, so almost every hour like a deal with a customer goes with the special stand, because it's been manufactured exactly for this frame for 6x6 Mercedes. It carries it with the special brackets. So as you can see, let's look it clearly, it's been welded just straightforward exactly for this special silent block brackets. It mounts over it like here and connects, joins and stays. So after all the preparations, when everything is welded, it goes to a special bath with the compound like primer in this exit primer and then acrylic primer for it to become the professional look like. Also a few words about the brackets for, it's called special frame cups for springs and for shock absorbers. So as you can see, this detail and this detail, this is originally manufactured. We buy it on stock. You can see the part number and weld onto this extended tube along with the spring bracket, this cup. So it carries the spring here and the shock absorber here. It's very difficult to manufacture with your own this part, because it's been complexed with the 2 layers of metal from inside, and it's really better to just buy a ready-to-go part and weld to be connected with the other tubes. Of course, for sure, we clear all the stacks, all the joints. We make it within putty, and then we clear coat it, so everything will be great. As for this part, when we buy a frame, original frame, we buy with an extended stock. So when customer receives a part of frame exactly with the special stand, so he knows where should he cut his part of frame from Mercedes. So it's cut here, on here, it's individually, and we send the video instructions for our customers on where he should cut his G Wagon rear part and where should he weld a part of frame and the rear pickup body. So as you can see, everything is on its place. So a frame lays exactly on its brackets, on its working place where it should be. So in this short video, I hope I told you everything It's very interesting when you are into Mercedes 6x6 conversion kit, like professional customer. So if you need some new answers for questions, please comment our videos, put your likes, share. Bye bye.